Hey, 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 this is your girl Bombshell coming to you with another quick video. So, ladies, I know you're probably wondering why you can't see what I'm talking about, but I want to let you give a good feel of what you're about to see. Now, this is a little different, but I love it. For the ones that know me, they know I love to be different. If you like a little country in your life and you want something different, then this is just for you. So, if you're ready, let's take a look at it together. Yes, ladies. If you love sunflower, we have the cow print ornament going on. This is just for you. You see those colors that you can add with this beautiful sunflower cow print ornament. Yes, ladies. This is the new 2020 ornament created by your truly Bombshell. Look at the details. Again, ladies, just add in some beautiful green and brown plain ornaments to set your tree off. So what I'm about to do is show you what the back of it look like. And this is the new sunflower cow print ornament created by Bombshell. So you can place your order by going to shopwithbam.com. Again, ladies and guys, check it out.